In a world where every second can save a life, imagine having the power to see the unseen, to predict the unpredictable, from diagnosing diseases with precision to customizing patient care that was once a dream. In today's video, I'm going to uncover the top 5 breakthroughs of AI in healthcare and how the outcomes can lead to a reduction in the cost of healthcare for both providers and patients. Hey everyone, and welcome to Taking It Offline. If you're an immigrant like me or come from a family of immigrants, I'm sure you've heard the obsession around becoming a doctor. But that landscape is changing. Technological advancements in AI are paving the way for this. Today, we're diving deep into 5 different ways on how artificial intelligence is not just supporting, but leading advancements in medical care and the pros and cons for each. By the end of this video, I'll discuss how all of this ties into cost reduction in the healthcare industry and why we may not be paying thousands of dollars for it within the next decade, or at least I can hope. 1 is diagnostic imaging. AI is revolutionizing this field by providing radiologists with tools like the FDA-cleared AI applications that enhance diagnosis and accuracy and efficiency. It's like giving superpowers to your medical imaging techniques. AI, like Google's DeepMind, is revolutionizing this field by enhancing the precision of diagnosing eye diseases. This could potentially be saving millions from blindness if caught early on. See, these AI applications offer radiologists tools that they once thought were futuristic, but that technology is here now. The potential disadvantage, though, is that there's a risk of over-reliance on AI, potentially leading to misdiagnosis if the AI fails to recognize a condition outside of its training data. So it's important that a trained medical professional works with AI and not entirely rely on it. 2 is personalized medicine. Now, this one's a little bit complex because imagine treatments tailored perfectly to your genetic makeup. With AI, personalized care plans are becoming the norm, thanks to tools that can analyze your DNA and predict the most effective treatment options. See, AI through platforms like IBM Watson analyzes genetic data to tailor cancer treatments for individuals. This level of customization in care plans represents a monumental leap forward in treatment effectiveness. See, the advantage is that it can do treatment plans like this by person and their specific genetic data. But the disadvantage is that the cost of generating and analyzing genetic data can be so high, potentially limiting access to personalized medicine to only those that can afford it. 3 is clinical workflow automation. AI is also streamlining clinical workflows. By automating administrative tasks, AI is freeing up healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care, making hospitals and clinics more efficient than ever. See, systems developed by companies like Nuance are automating time-consuming documentation, allowing healthcare professionals to devote more attention to patient care, thereby enhancing clinical efficiencies. See, automated administrative tasks with AI, it frees up the professionals to focus more on patient care, like I said. But the disadvantage is that there's a learning curve for healthcare professionals to adapt to. They have to learn the new AI systems, and the initial setup and cost can be substantial. 4, drug discovery and development. Now this one's cool because AI is cutting down the time and cost to bring new treatments to market. It's enabling researchers to predict how drugs interact with the body, speeding up the journey from lab to patient. See, go check out any drug that's in the market, and the average time and cost to develop a single drug for companies is over a decade and can range from $350 million to $2 billion. See, now with AI, they can not only expect to work more efficiently and accelerate the drug discovery process, but they can also reduce the time and cost to bring new treatments to the market. See, it enables researchers to rapidly analyze how drugs interact with a person's body. The disadvantage can be that the discovery process might overlook potential drugs that don't fit neatly into its algorithms, and it can potentially miss out on unconventional treatments. 5 is remote patient monitoring and management. So AI is transforming this realm of remote patient monitoring and management by using options like wearable devices powered by AI. This enables doctors to keep a real-time check on patients offering proactive care rather than reactive care. And what I mean by this is if you take a look at the Apple Watch's ECG feature, doctors can basically use data from that Apple Watch and look at the ECG reports and then decide, okay, the person's health heart is X, Y, and Z, and this is what we need to do in order to prevent a heart attack from happening. So that's a good example of how technology can be leveraged to provide proactive care. The disadvantage, though, is the dependence on wearable technology might lead to privacy concerns and data security issues, with sensitive health data being at risk. Now, this is one of the things that I do want you guys to comment on and talk to me about on what your thoughts are on your health data being out there, allowing doctors to give you proactive care and, them being able to act before something actually happens. See, the impact of AI in healthcare is profound, offering not just incremental improvements, but quantum leaps in how we approach medicine in general. See, it's an exciting time to be a part of this revolution. I know a lot of doctors in our family, obviously a lot of friends that are doctors, and they all are using emerging technologies to try and grow and learn. And if they're not, they're going to be falling behind. So now, let me get to the point that you've all been waiting for. I read a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research that estimates broader adoption of AI in healthcare could lead to savings of 5 to 10% in US healthcare spending. So that amounts to approximately $200 billion to $360 billion annually. These savings are based on AI use cases that are achievable with today's technology and could be realized within the next 5 years alone. So I think the future ahead of us in terms of healthcare and the cost efficiencies and even the way medicine is practiced overall is super bright with using technological advancements like AI. Like I said, leave me a comment below with your thoughts on everything that we've just discussed. I want to hear your thoughts on whether you agree that AI is making medicine more efficient, whether you disagree, on the types of methodologies that I've talked about in terms of what are the advantages and what the disadvantages are. I want to hear all your thoughts. By enhancing efficiency and accuracy in diagnosis, treatment, and management, AI technologies pave the way for more sustainable healthcare systems that can alleviate the financial burden on both providers and patients. So technology here is working for all of us, right? I am a potential patient, never going to be a provider. So my advantage here with doctors using AI is that my costs can go down. So leave me a comment below. Let's discuss these thoughts. And the main purpose of my video today is to open up a discussion on how healthcare can be more affordable, accessible, and efficient with the help of technology. So as always, I'm Parth, taking it offline, signing off. Until next time.